Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, I will show you how to fix this Roblox Error Code 262. There was a problem sending data. So the first method is to clear Roblox cache files. So you just need to open your Google Chrome and then right from here, click on the three dots at the top right, then click on Settings. And then from here, you need to go to Privacy and Security and then click on Cookies and Other Site Data. And from here, you need to scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. And then search the Roblox here. So type Roblox and then click on the trash bin icon. And then it will show you this message here. So just click on this clear button to clear site data and permissions. Now press Window plus R to open Run. And right here, you just need to type right here percentage local app data percentage, then click on OK and open the temp folder and open the Roblox, and then right here you need to delete all the files right over here. Now the next step we're going to do is change compatibility settings. So right click on the Roblox icon, then click on properties, and then here you just need to click on this compatibility and then click or check this run this as an administrator. Then once you've done right here, you need to restart your computer and open again your Roblox. Now if it's not fixed the issue right here, you just need to go to the second method, which is uninstall and reinstall your Roblox app. Go to Control Panel and then click on Uninstall Program, then find the Roblox app, and all you need to do is uninstall this Roblox application. Now once you uninstall this one, you can go back to the Chrome and go to Roblox homepage and then click any of the game right here and try to install this Roblox app. So just click on this play button and finally download and install your Roblox. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.